Alright, good morning, Vertis North! So we're here again. Alright, so good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So ayan, mukhang kagigising ko lang. Kakalabas lang po natin sa work and usual, parang kagigising lang natin. And sala po, no? Mag-ingat and safe. Diba? So yan, this is Vertis North guys. Diba ang ganda-ganda? Yan, nakikita nyo sa likod. Ano yan ang Voltes 5? Look! Hideout ng Voltes 5. Napakaganda, diba? Be safe always guys, no? Laging ngumiti at magbigay ng pagpapala sa Panginoon. So give good luck to everyone and